Hello, welcome back to Vintage Rust Motors. Got the 1948 Ford pickup here, and now that the 460 big block is mounted and C6 transmissions in, it's time to think about the brakes. This truck originally came with a single circuit master cylinder mounted under the cab. It was bolted to that cross member I cut out. It also contained the brake pedal assembly and clutch pedal assembly. Since I'm running an automatic and I want to do disc brakes in the front, we've got to come up with another solution. So I found a kit online that has a bracket, bolts into the frame channel, has a power master cylinder and brake pedal assembly. So pretty straightforward. I drilled some holes in the frame. I had to make sure there was enough clearance for the bell housing. But here we go, check it out. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch the next episode. I picked up another front end that has a disc brake setup on it, so I'll be swapping that out and getting ready to bend some brake lines and plumb it all up. Alright, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit subscribe, notifications, hit thumbs up if you liked it. Catch you next time. Thanks.